Okay, I am here to give you instructions on how to successfully submit your Google Slides video assessment. It's actually quite easy, but you do have to follow all instructions or it may not work. So the very first thing that you do is you go online to YouTube and you find a video that you like. I love America's Funniest Videos, and I found this originally on America's Funniest Videos, and I just did a search on YouTube for triplets laughing. And I suggest you watch the whole thing later, but I'm just going to do a 10-second clip for my video presentation. Okay, after you have found the video that you want, search through it and find a 10-second or less clip for your assignment. Okay, so here, the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the YouTube URL. There are many ways to copy and paste. The easiest one for me is Control-C, which I just did, okay? The next thing that you're going to do, I'm just going to go through every little step, is you're going to go to Google Drive. If you don't know how to get there, in your Google search bar, just put in Google Drive and there it is, and click on it. Then you may have to log in if you're not already logged in. I'm going to go to Google Drive and I'm going to say I would like to open a new Google Slides document. Okay, it's now opening and it's an untitled presentation, and for now that's fine. However, you will have to name it before you're able to submit it and share it. And I suggest, because you're submitting through Canvas, if you don't need to come back to this again, you can simply put your initials or something to quickly name it. But let's go ahead and get the video in. The first thing I do is I come to this Insert tab at the top and I click it. And then I click on Video because I would like to insert a video. And I just already copied the URL, so I'm going to say by URL and then I'm going to paste it. The easiest way for me to do that is Control-V at the same time. There's my video. That's exactly what I wanted. Then I need to come down here and say select. There's the video I want. I need to tell this is the video that I would like to select. So I click select and boom, is going to appear. The next thing that I need to do is I want this to be as big as possible for the viewers of this slide presentation. So I'm going to move it up into the corner, and just so you know, if you left click on the video, you can move it anywhere you want. And actually I'm going to put it just about right there. Okay. Then I'm going to come down to this right-hand corner till I have an arrow that points diagonally downward. I'm going to left click, and then I'm going to drag it to the bottom of the screen. So that's about the biggest that I can make that video on this screen. All right, looks good. The next thing that I need to do is do some formatting options for the video. To create only a portion of the video, a 10-second portion, which is this assignment, I'm going to need to right click on this video, and then I'm going to come down to Format Options. Sorry, that's almost cut off my screen, but not quite. Then I will click on Video Playback, and I am going to put this clip at 00:4 seconds, and it's going to go to 00:14 seconds. This is enough to get a good preview of this hilarious video of these quadruplets laughing. I called it triplets laughing, but it found the video anyway. Then I'm going to press autoplay when presenting. There are 4 key parts of this assignment. Sorry about that. There is putting a video into a Google Slides presentation. There is making sure that it's only a 10-second or less portion of the video, which you do right here. There's the autoplay, and then there's the proper sharing. So first of all, before I submit it to Mrs. Wadley or any teacher, if you ever have to submit this to something like this to another teacher, you will want to check it and make sure it works. So I'm going to click Present, and it's going to load, and you can see it works. Okay. Okay, actually, I don't even know if you could see that because I couldn't see my screencast recorder anymore. But if you couldn't see it, you could hear it and it worked. So you want to check click on present and make sure that what you did worked. If it didn't work, then go back to the drawing board and figure out what you did wrong. Okay? The very last part is sharing the video. That's actually really easy, but if you don't do it right, I will not be able to see it. And it's really easy, I guess, somehow to do it wrong. One of the most common mistakes is coming up and copying this URL, and that is not the correct way to do it. The correct way to do it is to click on share. Of course, like I said before, you have to name it before sharing. I'm just going to put my initials.